Nobody likes to lose money, especially when you work hard and live on a strict budget. It is crucial to explore new ways to save money for your future well-being. Follow these 5 personal budgeting tips to improve your current and future financial situation. 1. Set a game plan. Creating a personal budget all comes down to your specific financial situation, current needs, and future goals. Be honest with yourself about your spending habits and make the types of changes that will make a significant positive impact to your bank account. Only you know what's most important to you and what you need to survive. 2. Determine your monthly income and expenses. Figure out the amount you are earning each month. Be sure to include everything from your salary to any additional source of income. Next, write out your fixed expenses that are the same each month. Those typically include items such as rent, credit card bills, and car payments. It can also include bills for your utilities, internet, cable, and phone. Add up the total amounts of your income and your fixed expenses. 3. Tackle your variable expenses. Take time to outline monthly expenses that might come up and that tend to vary. Some of these are needs, such as groceries or gas, while others may be more in the wants category, such as gym memberships, TV streaming services, or shopping trips. A good approach to estimating a month of variable expenses is to look through your bank and credit card statements to find the average amounts for your variable expenses. Create a monthly total for these non-fixed expenses as well. 4. Readjust your spending. Financial experts have different thoughts on the most effective ways to budget your money each month. One popular approach is the 50-30-20 rule, which means you spend 50% on essentials such as rent, groceries, and utilities, 30% on non-essentials, and then devote the remaining 20% each month to a savings account. Try opening a separate savings account and avoid touching that saved cash. You will be amazed at how quickly your savings can grow. 5. Use title loans for emergencies. When emergency expenses arise, it can be hard to find the cash you need to pay for important bills, repairs, or medical treatment. This can make the emergency experience even more stressful. To avoid the long-term stress associated with unexpected emergencies, one option for fast, immediate cash is a title loan. A car title loan uses your vehicle's title as collateral. To be considered for a title loan, you need a driver's license, a lien-free title under your name, and your vehicle for inspection. If you have these items, you may qualify to get the title cash you need to pay for your emergency, either the same day you apply or the next business day. The best part is, you get to keep your vehicle while paying back the loan. Visit our website to learn more about how title loans work. Then fill out the free online form to get started, or call our toll-free number to get the quick title cash you need now. Don't forget to click on the like and subscribe buttons for more helpful videos coming soon.
you